Welcome. Thanks for joining me today. Our practice is focusing on energizing your body. So maybe you're feeling a little sluggish, you need to get some stuff done, and you just don't feel like doing it. So hop on your mat, do this quick sequence, and then off with your day to go. So when you're ready, have a couple blocks handy. You're definitely going to need your blocks today. And we're going to start standing. Let's go ahead and stand up to the top of your mat. I'm going to face you for the moment. Bring your hands to heart center. Just start to focus on your breath. Inhaling and exhaling deeply. We're going to work with our mantra today of energized. So feeling I am energized with each breath. Full breaths, engaging that Ujjayi pranayama. Noticing how the breath, just breathing in deep, might even start to bring energy into your body, into your mind, being here on your mat. Good. Take one more big inhale. Exhaling. One Om to get us going. Big inhale. On your next exhale, let the arms come by the side. Let your eyes blink open. Couple of half sun salutations here. Big inhale takes those arms up. And as you exhale, forward fold. Hands to shins. Inhale, lengthens you out. And exhale, refold. Inhale takes those arms all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart. Again, inhale takes those arms up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, refold. One more time. Inhale takes those arms up. Feeling that energy. Exhale, hands to heart. One more time here. Inhale takes you up. And exhale, fold. Remember, you can always use those blocks. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, refold. Inhale takes the arms all the way up. And exhale, hands release. Couple side stretches here. Big inhale, take those arms up. As you exhale, interlink the fingers. Point the first finger and thumb. Take a big inhale, lengthen, draw the lower belly in. And then exhale, lean toward the left. Inhale takes those arms back up. And as you exhale, lean toward the right. So nice side stretch on the left side. Inhale brings you up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale to the right. Inhale brings you up. Nice long neck. And then exhale, release it down. Stepping those feet to the top of your mat. Big inhale brings you up. And then as you exhale, sit back chair. Draw those knees together, sit back into the heels, pull in through that lower belly. Sit like you're going to sit into the back of that chair. And if your arms or shoulders are bothered, you can always go cactus arms. You can always go arms out in front. Lower belly draws in. One more big inhale. And then as you exhale, folding forward, straighten the legs, hands to blocks or floor. Relax the head, big inhale, lengthen. And then as you exhale, plant the right foot, step the left foot back. Nice low lunge here, pause here. Hand either to the floor or block. Take a big inhale, right arm reaches to the ceiling. Pause here, draw the shoulder blades onto the back. Draw that right hip under. Lift up through the lower belly. Gaze can be up or down depending on your back. Press down into that bottom hand. Rotate through the upper back. One more big inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, looking down. Exhale, right hand comes down. Back knee comes down. Shifting those hips forward, roll the shoulders back. And breathe here. So back toes can be tucked under, a little bit more stability, so you can draw that left hip forward. If you're feeling like you need a little bit more openness in the hip, you've been sitting a lot, point the back toes, but press those toenails into the floor. Shoulders keep rolling back, shoulder blades draw together onto the back. One more big inhale here. Exhale. If your back toes are untucked, tuck them on your inhale. Exhale, shift the hips backwards so your hip and knee are in a nice line. Bring those blocks with you, and then slide that front leg forward, coming to runner's lunge. So draw the toes back to you. Shoulder blades draw back, lower belly draws in, right hip draws back, folding forward over that front leg. Nice full breaths here. Breathing, getting some movement going next. We're going to use these two different poses we've just done and do a little flow. So take an inhale here. Exhale fully. Taking those blocks with you. Inhale, come into that runner's lunge, shoulders roll back. And then exhale, forward fold, runner's lunge. Inhale, draws the shoulders back. And exhale, fold, drawing that right hip back. Inhale, draw the chest forward. And exhale, lunge. One more time here. Inhale, draws you forward. And exhale, back. Inhale, shifts the weight forward. As you exhale, straighten the back leg. Shift the weight forward, use those blocks forward, bring that back leg in, shift them forward again, and then inhale, lift that back leg. So that back leg's gonna wanna spiral up, draw it down, flex through the foot, heart comes forward. Modified warrior 3, so maybe come to fingertips. If you're feeling pretty confident today, maybe hands to heart. Draw the shoulder blades together, little baby cobra in the back, press through the back heel, one more big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hands back to blocks. Exhale, slowly lower the back foot. Feet are together, big inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold. Forward fold, so hands to blocks, maybe to floor. Keep the neck nice and long, shoulder blades drawing together, inner thigh spiral back. One more big inhale here. And exhale. Inhale, takes those arms all the way up. Exhale, interlink the fingers, point the first finger and thumb. Inhale, nice stretch. And then exhale, lean toward the right. Inhale, lengthen up. And exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, brings you up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. And then as you exhale, sit back into that chair. So lower those hips, draw the lower belly and arms come out. Second side here. Shoulder blades draw in the back. Nice big inhale here. Exhale. One more big inhale. And exhale, forward fold, hands to blocks. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, plant the hand, step just the right foot back. So either coming to floor or block. Nice big inhale, right hand goes down, left arm goes up. Exhale, draw that left hip under, open the chest, maybe gaze goes up. Back foot presses away from you. Lower belly draws in as you rotate through the upper back. Gaze can be up or down, your choice. Big inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, top hand comes down. Exhale, bend into that back knee. Shoulders roll back onto the back. Heart comes forward. Let those hips drop forward. As you let those hips drop forward, lift up through that right hip. Shoulder blades draw onto the back. Nice full breath here. Lower belly is drawn in again. Back toe could be untucked, but really press into those toenails. One more big inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, shifts the weight back. Tuck the back toes under if they're not already. Bring the blocks with you, coming into that runner's lunge. Straighten that front leg. Pull in through the lower belly. Toes draw back. Heart comes forward. So really drawing that right hip forward, left hip back. Engage through that left leg. And then draw the shoulder blades onto the back. Full breaths here. See if you can draw that little pinky toe a little bit more back towards your left shoulder. One more big inhale. Exhale, adding in some movement here. Inhale, rocking forward, coming into that low lunge. And then exhale, shift the hips back into the hamstrings. Inhale, shift your weight forward, shoulders roll back. And exhale, fold, belly draws in. 3 more rounds, inhaling. And exhaling. Drawing that left hip back. Inhale, nice and slow, shoulders roll back. And exhale, round. Last time here. Inhale, shoulders draw back. Heart lifts, hips drop forward. Exhale, press those hips back. Straighten that front leg. And then inhale, lengthen. Exhale, shift the weight forward. Straighten the back leg, bring those blocks forward, step the back foot in a little bit more. Blocks come forward a little bit more again, and then inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale, push through the back heel. Draw that left hip in, right hip down, lengthen through the chest, maybe hands to heart. Maybe shoulders draw in the back, lift that back leg higher, spread through the toes. One more big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the hands to the blocks. Exhale, release the foot to the floor. Big inhale, half lift. And exhale, fold. Pausing here, relax through the head. Full breaths. Shoulder blades draw onto the back. Inner thighs spiral back. One more big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, takes those arms all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart. Take a moment here, close the eyes. Find your breath. Reminding yourself of your intention. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit more energized after this practice. Sealing it all in with one Om. Nice deep inhale. Letting those eyes blink open. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Drink lots of water, eat some veggies, and wear sunblock. And we'll see you next time. Namaste.